Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dryer thermostat. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new dryer thermostat. The dryer thermostat is located on the blower housing and it's what regulates the temperature inside the dryer. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's failed and you're not getting any heat. In order to change the part, we have to take the dryer apart. First thing we're going to do is open up the door. Once you have the door open, we can use our Phillips screwdriver to take out the two screws that hold the door on. Once you have both screws out, you can lift up on the door and pull it out of the frame. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. On the other side of the door, we're going to take off the two screws and the covers. Once you have both screws off, we can pull the front panel off. To get the front panel off, we're just going to grab it right here on each side and pull out. There's a couple locking tabs that we have to release. Once you have those released, we can lift the panel off the lower mounting brackets. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Now that we have the front panel off, we have access to the dryer thermostat. It's mounted right here on the blower housing. There's 5 wires attached to it, so you can take a picture or write down where they are, just so you don't mix them up. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help take them off. We have a double purple one on this end. And then on the smaller terminals, we have purple on the bottom and white on the top. And then we have an orange one next. And then all the way in the back, we have a blue one. Once you have all the wires disconnected, we can use a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the two screws that hold it to the blower housing. Once you have both screws out, we can pull the dryer thermostat off the dryer. Here's the old dryer thermostat next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new thermostat in, all you have to do is line it up with the blower housing and put it in place. You want to make sure that the end with 2 terminals is towards the back so the wires match up. Once you have it in place, you can use our 1/4-inch nut driver to put the screws in to hold it in. Once you have it mounted, we can reattach the wires. Remember, the blue one was all the way in the back. And then we had the orange one on the next terminal. And then on the smaller terminals, we had the white one on the top and the purple wire on the bottom. And then on the last big terminal, we had the double purple wire. Once you have all the wires installed on the new dryer thermostat, you can put the dryer back together. In order to put the front panel on, all you have to do is set it down onto the lower brackets. Then we can lift it up. And you want to make sure that these locking tabs here go into these slots to hold the front panel on. Once you have the front panel on, we can put the screws and the covers on. We're going to use our Phillips screwdriver to put these in. Now that you have the screws and the covers on, we can mount the door on the other side. To put the door in, we're just going to line up the tabs with the openings in the frame and push the lower one in. And then we can line up the upper one and push that in. Once you have them both in, we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws tightened down, you can close the dryer door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.